Someone is at the door. I'll get it.
All right, my baby, no problem. But they're on your side, you need something.
Brandon. Brandon.
I want my baby. You alright? I walk one. But you ball out my name, so I want me. Talk to me, no baby. You good?
No, Brandon, I'm not good. There's a huge pile of garbage sitting outside your front door you need to come and move before I do.
What? We are talking about, Rachel? What kind of pile of garbage you are talking about sitting out of the front door? No, man, let me come from look and show you are talking about.
Well, there she is. The huge pile of garbage.
But watch her. What is? Ashley, how you reaching at me yard? How you reaching at me yard for y'all knock my door for move and come answer door? How you reaching at me yard? Ashley, you know say you had the middle of a hurricane me. What you do at me yard? You not live nowhere. Go on to your man yard over better than the man. What you do at my place? Yo, Ashley, you hear my man for a peaceful life. Left my place. Left my place. No, Ashley. Left my place.
Brandon, me know me mess up, Brandon. Me know me mess up. But we can work out things, my baby. We can work out things, Brandon. Brandon, me love you. Me can't live my life without you. Me want you back, Brandon. Me want you back. If I even be a side girl, Brandon. Right now, me just want you back. Anything you say, Brandon, Allah. Me need you back in my life, Brandon. Please, Brandon. Please, me, I beg you. You don't miss me, Brandon? You don't miss me? Me know a part of you still love me, Brandon. Me know a part of you still love me, Brandon. Look for me and tell me say you don't love me, Brandon. Me know you still love me. The goods want you, Brandon. The goods need you, especially now whether you're right or not, Brandon. Oh, God, man, Brandon. Are you me feel lie down side, Brandon? Oh, God, man, Brandon. Me dip on my knees, Brandon. Me I beg you, please, Brandon. Please, Brandon. Take me back.
What the hell is wrong with you? Get your ugly ass up. Now get out and stay out. It is Rachel territory now. And if I ever see your ugly ass over here again, I'ma slap your ugly ass from here to across the street. Now get out.
No, man, Rachel, then I was going. I say you did rough, Rachel. No, sir. This surprised me bad. Cause me there feel so you are one nice, little uptown, quiet girl where can't even mash hands. And look there, I fling big lick in Ashley face like you're big and bad. No, bra. Me never know say I say a thing tough.
So what? You think because I'm uptown, I can't and won't defend what's mine? After last night, Brandon, no liquor underprivileged gals in my mess.
Ah, boy, me hear you, my baby. Me hear you loud and clear, man. It look like last night when me stick you up with my God-given rifle and fool you up a bullet. Me just have you surrendered fully. That is it, Brandon. That is it.
Ladies and gentlemen, listen up. We'll be going on a raid right now in the cover of the night. I chose to use the cover of the night because I want us to move in tactical on that criminal element, Ge-Guh, and his accomplice, Hot Tool. The photographs are on the whiteboard behind me. Now I want everyone to be strategically placed. The instructions were sent to your email. We'll also be using the SWAT team to move in. We already have our outer cordon. We already have our inner cordon. The SWAT team and us will definitely be the strike team moving in. I want everyone to be armed with a primary weapon and also a secondary weapon, preferably an M16 carbine and a Glock pistol. Do you all understand me?
Yeah, man, we understand, man. And we ask man, big boss, we understand fully, man. But me have one question to if you ask, so me just want some clarification on that, my general. I want to know if the SWAT team are going to go in as the strike force and breach the target premises, or all of we are going to just go in all at once.
Yes, Mr. Williams, you're definitely correct. So the SWAT team will definitely be breaching the target premises, then we will move in right after. Now, everyone go get your weapons, make sure you're lock and load, and everyone make sure you wear your bulletproof vest and your helmets. The hurricane has just passed, so expect some showers still. So if you have a raincoat and you wish to wear it, please do so, but make sure it is a government-issued raincoat. We are entering into a volatile era. Make sure that the word police is printed on your raincoat. Outside of that, cake some wet. Do not wear it. We do not want any blow-and-blow confrontation. Okay, men? Okay, women? Let's lock and load and let's move out.
Boy, Brown, you know, say me rate the superintendent, you know. He's not a man who want to sit down in an office now, nothing like that, you know, Brown. And I say, the man there out here with we, look in front of you, are the man vehicle that will lead the charge. A real superintendent, this the man here lead from the front. Eh? Me like him, man, I had best thing since sliced bread. I love how this a superintendent I work them man I mean business. For hours a night a superintendent in could have in yard, but in choose for there so on the battlefield with we. Yo, me nah lie still inna. Me can't wait for jump out and run in pan the boy Ge-Guh there, you know. Cause yo, me I tell you, you know, any boy push a foot, I get shook.
Yeah, man, I will say, man, Willie, man. I that me I talk about, you know, me can't wait for jump out on them boy there, you know. A long time them boy there keep up big arms house over there, you know, them and the boy better than them, you know. And you see it, which part the boy better than them now. And which part the boy Ge-Guh got there. I hope him do the right thing still and just surrender better time. Just wave the little white flag, you know. And just surrender, cause anyway him no surrender, a straight the red settings. So him have to go decide, cause right now, I tell you, my trigger finger they are jumpy.
Well on there, I wear so much vehicle I go. I wonder if the general I expect some politicians to come in here night about. How was a night and now still me not understand. I don't feel like say the MP or the minister would have come in here place them I was a night. But I must them still cause whole heap of vehicle that man but me can't even see what type of vehicle. You know what? I call the general at all still ask him if they might expect no whole heap of vehicle or the MP or whosoever to come in a place come lick them car. I don't know. What go on listen?
Yeah, Boobina, what go on? This better be something important for you. Wake up bad people out of them bed them I was your man in my youth. So what go on the front youth? Everything good?
You know, some of there's up on the front, my boss, and true, you done over there up on the hillside. Me I look weird on this and me I see a whole heap of vehicle come up. Be a bright light star, me can't even see what type of vehicle them. So me did just a preset probably at the MP or the minister or one of them I come link it general, me no know. So that's why me I call it still to find out if you not expect no company or anything, cause me see the whole heap of vehicle might that way. So that's why I give a link with general. I feel like that's important enough for you know still.
What? We ask a juvenile? No man, we not expect nobody man. You know say a police that juvenile. I wear them juvenile you idiot man. You know say I must police that juvenile. Yo, tell the rest of man them say yo for lock off all I tool them on the front. Yo, move off our front right now. Move off our front and me call the general now.
Yo, a tool. How I go on?
Yo, my general, police, the place full up of police, no boss. Be a police in our place, no boss. Be a police in our place.
Yo, me good enough, my aim's clean enough. Hope it call them on them pan the front still and make them know say you fi lift up off our front and go lock way to them quick and fast. Cause me good pa my ends, man, me well clean, everything alright. Just no other problem with them police that when time them come in a car right now, them police ya. Them dep on a different thing right now, brother. A straight gunshot them I gave her body right and now commissioner's orders. So just make sure say none of man them pan the front na dead. None of man them no strap everybody can lock off or ease back and just go and wait for them come in. That's it. Anyway, make sure say all of the woman them come out and have them phone with them on a video everything. All of the camera them pan the lane. Make sure say you turn them on. Make sure say everything up and rolling and clicking. That's it. Coming in a foolishness with them police boy when time them come in.
Alright, my general, I say 40 man, 39 good car. I done deal with that before I call in and my boss. Don't expect say a police them still from the little juvenile on the front call me so. I just make every man know say yo, lock off everything. So everything good, my general. Yo, so be a flashing light they would on the front they say my boss. So you know say boy them there. You see it. Anyway, we'll chat a little more, my general. Out of the ratty that going out there. Judge God. I hope I know a little juvenile them give them life to them police boy them a start. Yo.
John Star, I really gunshot that man a year out on the front the star. Look like the juvenile them never hear for lift up off a front quick and fast star. John Star. But just know say free got me in a star. Yo. Channel star. Yo, I woulda can beat down my door so early in the morning. Yo, I woulda.
Ge-Guh, the entire community is presently under lockdown and your entire house is completely surrounded by police. Come out with your hands up. Come out with your hands up where I can see them. Failure to do so, your door will be kicked in and we will be coming in with force. So come out now.
Officer, they don't feel like all of this necessary. A Ge-Guh this and I deal with, you know. Nothing no change, nothing no rearrange. Like I step out with my hands in the ear, as you stay. No bother with the firing, don't bother with the shooting. They are begging me to step out right now.
Well. If it isn't the infamous Ge-Guh, the reputed gang leader for the community. Well, Ge-Guh, you're coming with us.
What you mean by officer? What you mean? Coming with you, go which part? Which part you can't go, officer? Which part you can't go?
Yo, Ge-Guh, you better you lock off your mouth, you know. Don't be stupid. What kind of fool question that you ask me? I carry me yard, me I carry you go. The Mustang I station. You're coming with us in the story.
Super look pan who we find around the house where you send we go a while ago figure check out which big man there on here there with like a young girl. Like boy I told a Ge-Guh second of him like all I strap them for Ge-Guh. So right now when I'm a boss, him for go down a jail too.
Yes, man, without a shadow of a doubt, man, him definitely going down to the station too with us. You think I know where I look for this boy I told? I go on with yourself up here. Not only that you're in gun running, but you also asleep with the little underage girl them. Jail definitely not miss you. And remember, you know, Officer Brown, call the crime scene people them so them can't come card now off the front there. Cause them two little look out there that we have to lick down a while ago and take them two strap there for them. That has to be dealt with also. So get that done immediately.
Yes, my boss, my dep on that right away. Calling the crime scene people them right, you know.
What happened to your Ge-Guh? What happened to your toll? Or the two on look so? Two on look like you see a ghost. What? You know please boy what you just here. Well, the police approached the community and two on goons decide to challenge my officers. My officers had to take evasive action, return the fire. Both your goons was hit and 2 illegal weapons taken from them. So you two have a lot of questions to answer when time when you get to the station. You are tool as the man we're in charge all I strap them. You Ge-Guh, we give down the orders. We don't have a whole heap of questions for answer to. So no worry on yourself. Officers, take them away.
You are tool. John Star, I will go on the front. A which 2 juvenile police them lick down.
Judge I got my boss. I know said me not even have a clue star. Yo. Channel star that thing and lick me chip in the evening and star but yo, that's say I hold my boss. We will chat.
So Ge-Guh, you's a fan of...
Officer, what kind of question that you ask about if me's a fan of music? I take me out of my house, take me out of my community, and I come fling me in a jail cell right now, officer. Right now, officer, big man levels me in a whole heap of chattings with an island, and my liar I want to talk to you. So me need a phone call right now, officer. Me need enough to talk to the superintendent. Me need my phone call to talk to my liar. Right now, me don't have chattings with no now. My liar me need to talk to.
What, Ge-Guh? Man, full of big chat. I hope you can defend that. Yeah. I go see how tough you be still. Cause I write in a number 2 sell me a show you right now. The reason why I ask you if you like music, or if you're a fan of music, Cause one of my favorite songs of that song, yeah. Someone a play number 2. Enough boy a Highland Vasily not fit true. I hope when time you go another cell there, you stay tough. No.
Remember me saying I'm Mr. Police, remember me saying I want to talk to my lawyer, so make sure you tell the superintendent for yo come give man them phone call as it. Remember me tell you that yo. Remember me tell you say yo this nah go so. Wanna see how no take me out of my yard and come fling me down in a jail cell. Yo, Jano Star. Who that? Who that? My boss, Biko. Jano Star Biko. Yo, Jano Star Biko. Don't bother with them type of thing, the Biko. Yeah, generally no Biko. Biko, my boss. My boss. My boss, Biko. Original top man Biko. Don't bother with them thing, the Biko.
Hey boy, tapping eyes in a place, man, now come over here, sir. As a matter of fact, lights out.
Just see myself in there in my shadow. Lights out. This done for me.
Officer, may I beg you, please, officer, may I beg you, please, officer, no left around here with that boy Azika, officer, please. Officer, please, may I beg you, officer, I will tell you anything where you want, officer, please, come back, officer, please, may I apologize, officer, please, may I beg you, officer, please, officer, may I beg you, officer, please.
Not so tough now, Ge-Guh. So you never want to talk to your lawyer again. I will do a heap of tough talk to Ge-Guh. One little lights out and a ball like a baby round you. Think you did tougher than that, man. You have to roll out like a real J in a youth.
Boy, me have to laugh, Look on the big bad Ge-Guh, a ball out, boy, officer, whoa, please. Officer, whoa, please. Ge-Guh, you're not so tough at all, boy.
Yo, Jano Star, officer, I can't believe that they them style with them wicked way the star, cause you don't know where them boy the Biko come and prison for any star. Jano Star, officer, yo, on the win, man, on the win. Ready for talk to no right to know, officer, cause I can't take them styling thing the star, cause I now go back in and no sell with that boy the Biko, Me no depend that, officer, so talk to me. Me ready for talk.
Oh.